Welcome to our detailed comparison of two powerful gaming motherboards, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi and the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi. In this video, we will dive deep into their specifications, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're building a new gaming rig or upgrading your current setup, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of these motherboards is crucial. Let's get started. The MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is designed for AMD Ryzen processors, utilizing the AM5 socket, making it a great choice for those looking to build a system with the latest AMD technology. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi supports Intel's 12th, 13th, and 14th gen processors with the LGA 1700 socket. This difference in CPU compatibility is crucial for gamers who have a preference for either AMD or Intel platforms. Choosing the right motherboard will depend on your choice of CPU, as both options offer unique advantages in performance and features. When it comes to PCIe support, the MSI MAG 650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi offers PCIe 4.0, which is sufficient for most gaming needs today. However, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi takes it a step further with PCIe 5.0 support, allowing for faster data transfer rates and better future-proofing for upcoming graphics cards and storage devices. This is an important consideration for gamers who want to ensure their system remains competitive for years to come. Price is always a significant factor when choosing a motherboard. The MSI MAG 650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is priced at $269, while the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi comes in slightly cheaper at $249. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're trying to stick to a budget while building your gaming rig. Both motherboards offer excellent features for their price points, but the ASUS model provides a more cost-effective option for those looking to maximize their value. In conclusion, both the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi and the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi motherboards offer unique features tailored for gamers. The choice between them ultimately comes down to your preferred CPU platform, the need for PCIe 5.0 support, and your budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.